Welcome to JC Stocks and Markets Podcast for August 8th, 2025. I'm JC. I'm investing in the stock market for 40 plus years. Every other week I publish a new idea on YouTube regarding stocks or ETFs that I research. I usually do this on every other Saturday. I'm sharing because I'm always researching new investment ideas, specifically with stocks and ETFs with an emphasis on dividend-paying securities. I just want to share my investment ideas so that you and I can maybe make a buck. Not doing this for money from anyone. The opinions shared here are my own. They are just that, opinions. I invest in many of the stocks and ETFs that are featured in these podcasts. Disclaimer, do your due diligence before investing in anything. With that, let's go make some money. Today on JC Stocks and Markets Podcast, I'm going to feature a more conservative company, CNA Financial. Their insurance holding company, they're fully owned subsidiary of the Lowe's company. They've been around for a long time, over 150 years. They're a financial corporation, insurance holding. They provide commercial property casualty insurance products in the U.S. They also handle like professional liability insurance for architects, real estate agents, accounting, that sort of thing. They offer all sorts of different professional liabilities. They also provide property, marine, boiler, machinery coverage, insurance products, that sort of thing. Again, they were founded in 1853 and based in Chicago, Illinois. Certainly a company that's been around for a long time, conservative, healthy financially, and growing a little bit. First slide I want to show you is from a site that I've recently found. It's called stockanalysis.com. Some of the basics of CNA Financial. CNA is your ticker. Essentially, you're looking at a $16 or a $12 billion corporation, earns about $3.20 a share, pays out $3.84, which is interesting, and we'll get into some of the details of that, which gives you about an 8% return, which is pretty doggone good. Price target's about 50 from a number of analysts, and the earnings date just passed. Now, with earnings, as you can see, their revenue changed about 6% a year from quarter to quarter, year to year, that is. And essentially, their return on equity is about 11%. Net income about $1.10 a share. Essentially, they're getting more policies written. Their revenues from policies are growing about 5 to 10%. Looking at their conference call, that is. Future looks to be similarly favorable for all metrics: revenue, earnings, cash flow for this year. 50% or less dividend payout, and it's financially strong and growing. This company is a good company, and it's a little, it pays a little less, but I'll show you why you're going to get a little more than average from CNA here, especially on dividend payout. And here it is. Here's some of the dividends that are paid out. They're paying, they just upped their dividend to 46 cents per quarter. But as you can see, every year, and they've been doing this since 2014, in the February payout, they pay out an extra divvy. It might be an extra $2 a share or $1 a share, depending on the financial situation. But they pay a special dividend along with their regular dividend once a year in February. And that's where you're getting the higher return, the 8% plus divvies. And again, very solid corporation, very conservative, and they pay out where they can. This slide is from their website. I believe it's from the investor presentation, their financial strength ratings. They have really, really high ratings, as you can see. Basically outstanding financial ratings, great financials. This company is well positioned. Their net income is pretty steady. Their balance sheet is great. They're modestly growing, and they're well managed. I just wanted to throw that out there. Last slide I have on the CNA Corporation, Financial Corporation. I don't own any of the shares on this, but if I had some dry powder, I would certainly consider it just as a more of an anchor, a small position anchor in my portfolio. As you can see, they went from about $16 a share back in 1986 to actually over 50 recently, and basically they're at 45.66. I think somewhere in the $45 range is a great place to piece in, start piecing into CNA Financial. The share price has been on a linear run, with zigzags up and down, but not a bad corporation. With that, I'd like to say thank you for listening to JC's Stocks and Markets podcast. The intro and outro song is by a band called Just One Goat. I wrote the song called She's the One. It has a great meaning to me, and the band made the magic for the song. With that, happy investing and do your due diligence. Bye now.
Beautiful, but I know my way back home. A loving girl is physical, but I never have to roam. Well, she's always there for me. It's simple, can't you see? She's the one. Oh, she's the one. Everything is magical, even when she's not around. No, it's not that radical, I just know what I have found. Well, she's always there for me. It's simple, can't you see? She's the one. Oh, she's the one. She's making my life so much stronger. God, let me stay just a little bit longer. She's the one. Yeah, she's the one. Really is a crime. I've wasted all this time.